dark as fuck outside and Hurricane Katrina.
Like, I'm sorry, but
Don't fuck with me.
Billie Eilish of her family.
We're about to go to the mall. I need fake eyelashes. Because I gave mine to Aubrey, and of course, she left them at her boyfriend's house and he vacuumed them up. So
they canceled Mint and Jewel Pods.
2018 is canceled.
I'm literally about to move.
We love.
We at the mall. About to go inside, but I need to brush my hair.
I wish Billie Eilish would be here so she could see my hat. Just come up to me.
We need to do something funny in the mall. Don't know what we're gonna do yet. Might make a few TikToks, so.
TikToks are in. If you haven't like made any, you should get into them.
And you should go look at mine.
Look at mine.
At the Ohio Valley Mall. And they brought 2 outfits home for Thanksgiving break. So
Here's one.
literally this and the outfit I'm wearing to the living room and at Thanksgiving. So
Which y'all see tomorrow. I hope all of you are feeling blessed. It's Thanksgiving. Tell everyone that you're thankful for them.
and then it's Christmas and
then be thankful and get your friend presents.
yes. I'm not gonna show Aubrey this video because I'm about to tell everybody what I got her. But I got her a cow pillow pet because her favorite animal is a cow. Them motherfuckers sent me a giraffe. A bitch just got a new job. This one interview, they were like, how did you hear about us? And I said my cousin for some reason, even though that wasn't true. They said, who's your cousin? I said, Phoebe. I don't have a cousin Phoebe. So.
But is there a Phoebe that works there?
Probably not, because Phoebe is the worst name I could have chosen. I should have been like Emily or something. And then they asked me her last name and I said, I don't know. She's my cousin. So I didn't get that job.
Hey, you got a winter jacket too? That's
Tommy
game.
Hilfiger.
Mine's Walmart. I bet mine's warmer than yours and mine was cheaper. And cooler. Fuzzy.
You hear this shit right now? Like this shit that I have to deal with.
I have to go to the ice cream store.
Can't believe I'm standing next to Billie Eilish right now. Left my card in the car. Are you kidding me? It's for the vlog. So I said I forgot my card in the car. He's gonna buy me ice cream now.
I also buy a car, so.
Are you ever gonna change your hair?
Oh.
You should. What do you identify as?
A piece of cheese.
Is it true that when you were little you used to take cheese out of the fridge and hide it in the couch? Is that true?
It is indeed.
She dropped her jewel
This is bad.
in the massaging chair.
Chips.
Swear every time I come to Ulta, my hands leave looking like a mess.
No.
We love that. Going on a ride on my big green tractor.
We can go slow.
So we can go faster.
People are staring. You see them teeth marks?
Another one. What is it? I said it's the country in that.
That's what happens when you sit in a tractor for too long.
Wait, that was lit low key. So, like, do you have anything kind of like beach like?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. This is perfect.
This GameStop person just told me he's a good rapper.
Shut up, leave me alone.
Total shame.
It's a damn shame.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
Thirsty. Looking at you.
Oh my god, it's so hot.
Mile? You're playing with the salty?
Alien. Oh shoot, it's upside down. This video sucks. Onto it. I like candles, like I love scents. Hello.
Have you watched Victorious?
Yes, I just saw last
Yeah,
night.
the handband one where they're like,
I'm so pissed. It's like we can't add that.
I'm gonna add that.
Hold up.
Why'd she do better than me? So we can never go back to the Talake Pake. Ever.
You would never see me there again.
Canceled because we got yelled at for playing with the salsa.
Was it worth it? Did it taste good?
No, but was it worth it for
The vlog?
Yes.
The tractor. We bought it, by the way.
We did. We'll record a video of us on that soon. Like, literally, I thought there was a tornado, but it was just her toilet.
That's just.
Talking about
What the fuck was that? Make this next left at the stop sign or something.
We ain't got no perfume, no Febreze, so this bitch is literally rubbing an air freshener on herself.
Smells good.